So is this recording? Yeah, it is. Okay, you're good. You're good.
3, 2, 1, go!
Good. 4. 6. 7. 9. Good job, Chris. 10. 11. 12. Good. Awesome. Deep breaths here. You're doing good. Couple in a row here. You're at 12. 15. Doing good. 17. 18. 19. 20. Good. One more. Come on. Get it done. Good job. Start moving. Let's go. Start moving. 1, 2. 6. 8. 10. 12. 14. 16. 18. Here we go. 3 more. 1 more. Okay, deep breaths. Here we go. Couple deep breaths here. Couple deep breaths. You're right on pace here. Just get a couple in a row. Good. 3. 4. 5. 6. Good. 7. 3 minutes left. 7 reps, Chris. Good job. Couple deep breaths. Get 3 here and rest. Here we go. Get to 10. 8. 10. Good. Good job. Breathe. Here we go. You're at 10. 11. 13. Awesome job, Chris. Here we go. 2 more. Finish it off. 14. Done. Here we go. 2. 5. You're right on track. Keep it going. 6. 'Good job, good job. This is 10. Good. 12. 13. 14. 1 more. Good job. Get back there. Couple deep breaths. Try to get 3 in a row if you can. Here we go, bud. 2. 3. Good. 4. 5. deep breaths and you gotta go. You got 5. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Gotta get moving, Chris. 2, 4, 6. One more, Chris. Good job.